Fix Varo advanced eligibility and connection errors. So, on the Varo app, fixing advanced eligibility and connection errors involves submitting specific daily evaluated criteria regarding account activity, balance, and direct deposits, as well as resolving technical issues with linked external accounts. If you're experiencing issues with the Varo's advanced feature, you must have an active Varo bank account with a positive balance. So you must meet the direct deposit requirement, which is a total of $800 plus in qualifying direct deposits to your Varo bank account, or previous calendar month to qualify for the maximum $500 advance. Now, alternative eligibility if you don't have direct deposit. So if you do not have a $800 in qualifying direct deposit, you can still be eligible for a lower amount like $100 and $250 if you have an active account, a positive balance, and have either a linked external account or received deposits totaling $800 to your Varo account. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.